The drill tool is found in the vectoring tab. To use this, simply click on the tool and click on the board where you wish the drill to be applied. You can select which bit you wish to use for this. Typically this is done with an end mill, but you can actually configure drill bits if you wish. I'll leave this as 1/8 inch cutting. If you are using a drill bit, make sure that the diameter of the hole that you're making is exactly the same as the drill bit hole. If you're using an end mill, you can make a hole as large as you wish, though I don't recommend doing holes much more than 1 inch. Sometimes that's better to do as a cutout. As you can see, the default is all the way through. If we double click on the center area, we can edit this. You can change the depth of the drill, and you can also change what the pass depth is.